Say we wanted to filter the dataset to only show column values for participants who scored an extroversion amount of 6. So what that will do is significantly reduce the number of rows in the dataset. If we had done the df.groupByExtroversion.count, ran that, and then looked to the entry for 6, we would have seen that there are 73 entries in the dataset for an extroversion level of 6. So when we apply this formula to create our new dataset, the dataset will be composed of 73 entries. So let's create a variable name so that we don't have to keep typing the data frame formula out each time we use it. Set that equal to the original data frame name, then the data frame name again, then the column name we want to filter it by, then the value we want to filter it by. Then we use the .head10 instead of the print function again to ensure that it prints nice and neatly to the screen the first 10 rows out of the 73. Although it doesn't show how many rows there are in total, if we use the print function, it would tell us at the bottom how many rows there are in total. We can add on the same statistical functions as we did in the original dataset, like the count function. We could either add it onto the new dataset name or add it to the code that creates the new dataset.
We can add the describe function onto the variable name, just as we did for the original dataset. Now we have a summary of statistics for the new subset. We can also add the .sort function to the variable name, just as we saw before.